वेल, वेस्टर्न डिजिटल का नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा। आज मेरे साथ खालिद साहब हैं जो कि WD के डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं, और आई एम श्योर आपने इनको सोशल मीडिया वगैरह पे देखा होगा और रेडियो पे सुना भी होगा, क्योंकि रेडियो पे भी इससे पहले हम इंटरव्यू कर चुके हैं। वेल, आज इस इंटरव्यू का मकसद ये है जानना कि फ्यूचर में यूथ को क्या करना चाहिए। लेकिन उससे पहले हम खालिद भाई के बारे में जानते हैं। आप WD के डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं, और ये मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि अब आप अपना वेंचर स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं, तो उसके बारे में बताएं।
वेल समीन, थैंक यू वेरी मच पहले तो मुझसे बात करने के लिए। आई थिंक मैं आप कुछ करेक्शंस बिफोर। यस, मैं WD अप टिल लास्ट ईयर इमर्जिंग मार्केट्स हेड करता था।
ओके।
एंड आई डिसाइडेड दैट it was the right time in my life to do something that I've always been wanting to do.
Okay.
Right. So I left WD end of the year and started my own venture studio. The objective of this venture studio is to actually build startups and SMEs with Kashmiri background.
Okay.
So we work with SMEs across the globe, restructure their businesses and make them scalable at national and international levels.
That's
Right?
nice.
And we started building up with a few brands, local brands,
Yes.
and they're in multiple sectors, right? They're in fashion, they're in food processing, right? And hopefully over the next coming couple of years, we'll see strong businesses, strong SMEs emerge out of Jammu and Kashmir and be recognized at the national level. And that, I think, that champions the cause, and that helps us address one of the most fundamental problems that we have in Kashmir, which is unemployment. Right? If you look at it, we're almost double the national average when it comes to unemployment.
नो डाउट। वैसे खालिद साहब, आप एक डिजिटल दुनिया से आए हैं, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते थे। आई मीन, क्योंकि आजकल डिजिटल दुनिया ही है, तो उसमें आप कुछ अलग कर सकते थे। व्हाई यू चोज ये वेंचर स्टूडियो और स्टार्टअप्स को?
Because I'll tell you why. It allows us to work with multiple sectors, including technology. Right? We have technology companies that we are curating at this point in time. We're working with food processing companies out of Kashmir that are building phenomenal products that can be scaled at a national level. We work with fashion houses, right? So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it basically helps me as an individual to get an experience in every other segment, right, of business.
Okay.
And I see tremendous opportunity of building not just businesses in particular sectors, because if you look at it, well, अभी भी डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनना जरूरी है, और लोग बनेंगे, but there are a lot of other
sectors, कम से कम जिनका इंटरेस्ट है वो बनेंगे, जिनका नहीं है पेरेंट्स के दबाव में आकर नहीं बनेंगे।
So हमारे को प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई थी, हम पूरी कंट्री में स्टीरियोटाइप है या तो हैंडीक्राफ्ट को लेके या तो अपने टूरिज्म को लेके, राइट? बट over the last few months I've started recognizing there are so many other phenomenal things that our youth is actually working in. आप फैशन को देख लें, Tulpalav is a brand that has emerged out of Kashmir. It's a phenomenal brand that is getting recognized throughout the country, throughout the world, right, for the work that they're doing at this point in time, right? Similarly, there are opportunities that exist in every other sector which can have a growth market in the rest of the country. And that's what we want to do, right? मुझे लगता है कि वो एक pivotal moment रहेगी, because हमारी unemployment की प्रॉब्लम को खत्म करने के लिए we have to make sure that we are growing our small and medium enterprises.
तो अभी आपने तुलपलाव की बात की, तो स्टूडियो वेंचर्स के साथ अभी कौन-कौन से ब्रांड जुड़े हुए हैं?
अभी तो फिलहाल हम लोग इन्फेंसी स्टेज में हैं. We have started with a few brands, but hopefully in the next few weeks our portals will be live, and you will be able to see all the brands that you are working with. I'll keep it as a little bit of a surprise element, right?
All right. वैसे खालिद भाई, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज आप दुबई में काम कर चुके हो, वहाँ पर मतलब ग्लोबल मार्केट है वहाँ पर, तो हमारे जो अब नए बच्चे हैं, हमारा जो यूथ है, पढ़ाई हर कोई करता है ऑब्वियसली, कम से कम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करता है, और जब बात आती है कि आगे क्या करना है, क्या पढ़ना है, तो हर कोई आजकल सजेस्ट करता है AI करना है। मगर AI में क्या करना है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि फ्यूचर क्या होल्ड कर रहा है हमारे यूथ के लिए?
AI has become it's like a necessary devil, right? I mean, आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री पिकअप कर लें, आप देखेंगे उसमें there is significant involvement of artificial intelligence as well as automation, and I think it's not about how it's or when. It's about how businesses that are evolving will continue to utilize the assets and tools that are available both from automation and AI perspective to their own benefit. So ऐसा कोई business नहीं है मेरी ज़हन में आज के डेट में जहाँ पे artificial intelligence की utilization ना हो, right? You can use it in order to enhance your business across various segments.
You can either be a user or a coder, है ना? दो ही चीजें.
Yeah, you can either.
But मुझे लगता है इसके अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं अब. या तो यूजर या तो कोडर.
Exactly. Either you're sitting on this side of the fence or that side of the fence, right? As a user, I believe that every business that is operating right now has to really adopt AI to their benefit.
Exactly.
And if they're not doing that, they will continue to stay behind.
Right.
So it's important that as a user you understand that. जब एज अ यूजर वो आप अंडरस्टैंड कर जाते हो और आप देखते हो सारे बिजनेसेस इसको अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं, एज अ कोडर और somebody who wants to create this as a career opportunity for himself, you can imagine as to what is the level of opportunity that is available for him, to engage or operate in this space. Right? हम for example agentic AI pick up कर लेते हैं. Right? There is so much of advancements happening in agentic AI at this point in time, right? आप artificial intelligence को देखो, आप देखो automotive sector में artificial intelligence किस level तक चली गई है.
ड्राइवर की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है
आप technology space में देखो, before we started I was telling you, right, how data becomes a critical component of artificial intelligence, of AI, right? And you see how these companies that I used to work for, their share prices have crossed phenomenal records, broken phenomenal records, primarily because there's so much of demand coming in for these GPUs as well as storage devices, right? So as an opportunity, it's a great opportunity for kids to adopt, right? It's important to make sure they don't get themselves lost in this abyss, right? Because it's a very vast sector. Right? You have to make sure you pick up the right sector that you are inclined towards and identify कि आप उसमें AI के basis में क्या करना चाहते हैं.
Right.
So I think there is no debate. इसमें कोई किसी किस्म का debate होना ही नहीं चाहिए कि AI as a career opportunity for the youth is not something that they should pursue.
Exactly.
And I know of a lot of kids in Kashmir that are trying to build a lot of innovative platforms from AI. Right? We've been in talks with a bunch of people which are actually building an AI platform which will help with sustainability. Now, what's happening is sustainability in the next decade or so, particularly for public sector companies as well as large private sector companies, will be very, very important. They will have to ensure that they have robust sustainability matrices that they build within the organization.
Right.
Now, how do you make sure that there is, there are platforms that help you deliver those sustainability metrics? There's a company that we are working with right now who's developing an AI platform which can facilitate, right, the sustainability agenda for these companies, right?
Okay.
Companies will have to start reporting their sustainability. They'll have to create sustainability reports, which just like public companies जो है वो हर क्वार्टर में अपने रेवेन्यू को रिलीज करती है. They will also have to release their sustainability reports. Europe में already if you don't have sustainability reporting right now, you cannot work with the government.
Right.
So ऐसी काफी सारी चीजें हैं जो लोग एक्सप्लोर करते हैं.
तो अक्सर हम ये कहते हैं कि AI जो है वो लोगों की जॉब खा रहा है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम AI की वजह से और बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुल रही है. बहुत सारे सेगमेंट्स, नए सेगमेंट्स बन रहे हैं. जैसे कंपनी में पहले AI सेगमेंट अलग नहीं होता था. मिसाल के तौर पे वो लोग जो उनके एडवर्टीजमेंट पार्ट देख रहा है या बाकी चीज़ें जो AI के थ्रू चीज़ें होती है, तो नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी आ रही है जिसको ग्रैब करने की जरूरत है. लास्ट में आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, जो ये वेंचर स्टूडियो है इसमें AI का कितना काम है?
बहुत ज़्यादा काम है. So we believe, I genuinely have a dream. I have a dream that we should be able to build a strong AI company out of Kashmir that gets recognized to the rest of the country.
Right.
And the aim of this venture studio is predominantly to do that in multiple sectors. We want to show the rest of the country that in Kashmir we're not limited to handicraft, agriculture,
Exactly.
and tourism.
अब हमें global market की तरफ देखना
But
चाहिए.
we can build fashion houses, we can build food processing products, we can build phenomenal organic products out of here. So that's what the objective
तो I'm sure बहुत सारे entrepreneurs इस इंटरव्यू को जरूर देखेंगे और किसी के पास अगर ऐसा कोई अच्छा वेंचर है जिनको लगता है कि वो ग्लोबल हो सकता है तो आप तक कैसे पहुंचे, कैसे कांटेक्ट करें आपके?
I think contact करने वाले ढूंढ लेंगे, right? But generally stating, we are currently opening up an office in Kashmir, right?
Okay.
And post that, we'll continue to through our social handles try to reach out to people, and then people can reach out to us as well.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
बजाते रहो